Right, and so today I'm just going to take a quick video of the Tricity bendix TM220W tumble dryer that I'm just getting. So you've got your dial, which goes from 0, and then that is your cotton side, and I think, hang on, that's your synthetic side. You've got your fresh cool button, which basically cuts the heat off, and you've got a half heat button. Obviously it tells you there when it's on. There's the programs. There's its venting hose as well. On this one you can actually vent it at the side, or that other side or at the back, and we're going to have a look inside as well. So on this dryer there is no pull out fluff filter. This is your fluff filter. Goes all the way around, and I've been told that it wasn't turning, and basically what's happened is a belt snapped, I think, because it's very free to turn, which it shouldn't be. So I think it might need a new belt.